Three vectors v1, v2, v3 are given with the elements 1, 9, 3, 2, 5, 4 and 0, 0, 0. So given these three vectors, we are asked to determine whether they are linearly dependent or independent. So here one thing we have to remember, whenever we are having the property of linear independently, so here in the case of linearly independent set of vectors, it cannot contain the zero vector. So here you have the statement linearly independent set of vectors, they cannot contain zero vectors. So here having that property in our mind, so we can say that v1, v2, v3 are linearly dependent as it consists of a zero vector here. So since zero vector is there, so it is not a linearly independent one. Else, so since for that reason we can say v1, v2, v3 are independent, linearly depending vectors. And here, before taking the further problems on the linearly dependent and so on, so here first we'll take up the problems on finding the rank of a matrix by the direct method as well as the row echelon method, because without knowing the row echelon form, so it will be difficult for us to go with the problems of linearly dependent and independent problems. So here first let us take the problems on the rank of a matrix. So here take the problem, find the rank of a matrix. First we'll go with the direct method. Find the rank of a matrix 1, 5, 3, 9. So just I'll start with the simple 2 cross 2 matrix. So for this simple 2 cross 2 matrix, we are asked to calculate what is the rank. So here let us assume this is the matrix A. A is equal to 1, 5, 3, 9. So for this we have to identify the rank. Rank is denoted by row matrix within the parenthesis is equal to how much. So here since it is a 2 cross 2 matrix, so here whatever the rank of a matrix you are going to find, so here it should be consisting, as you can see, this matrix, it consists of 2 rows. So obviously this the rank of matrix, it should be less than or equal to 2. So here for this given matrix, so first let us calculate the determinant. So 1, 5, 3, 9. So how we are going to calculate the determinant? So cross multiply. So 9 ones are 9 minus 3 5s are 15. 9 minus 15 is nothing but minus 6, which is not equal to 0. So here since the determinant of this 2 cross 2 matrix is not equal to 0, so the rank of a matrix, it remains same as 2. So this is the one method. So the minor for this we have calculated of the order 2. So for this we are not getting a 0 value. So the determinant is non-zero. So non-zero bantu andre. So whatever the order we have, so that itself becomes the rank of a matrix. So here the rank of the given matrix A is 2. So next take down. Find the rank of a matrix. A is equal to minus 5, minus 7, 5, 7. So we are not using the row echelon method. By direct method, we are finding the rank of a matrix. So it is also of the order 2 cross 2. So here the rank of a matrix, it should be less than or equal to 2. So what is its matrix? So find the determinant of this minus 5, minus 7, 5, 7. What is its determinant value?
0.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ determinant value?
0.
0. So here, since this determinant value is 0, so we cannot have the rank of the given matrix A as 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 rows in consider ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ minor. So here, since its determinant is 0, the rank of this matrix is not equal to 2. So now let us consider the first order minor. So first order minor and any one you can take. So here, for example, I'll take minus 5. So the determinant of this minus 5 is 5, minus 5 which is not equal to 0. So here, if you consider any element, so here it is not equal to 0. So row of A, it is equal to 1. That is the rank of this given matrix is equal to 1. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮೈನರ್ ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನಫ್. ಸೊ ಎವ್ರಿ ಮೈನರ್ ಏನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡೋದ್ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮೈನರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that is more than enough. So here for 2 cross 2 we will be getting the determinant value as 0. So here rho of A it cannot be equal to 2. So here consider minor, second order minor. So here we will be considering this minus 5. So this determinant minus 5 is not equal to 0. So here the rank of A it is equal to 1. So similarly take up the next problem. Find the rank of a matrix A is equal to 0 minus 1 5 2 4 minus 6 1 1 5. So first I'll be taking all square matrices, then we'll take up the next one. So for this calculate the rank. Just check whether it's determinant of 3 cross 3 is equal to 0. If it is 0, just take any other minor and calculate the determinant value and find out the rank. So for this, the determinant is 0 minus 1 5 2 4 minus 6 for the given elements. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 0 multiplied with anything that will become 0. For that we'll eliminate this. So minus of minus 1 is nothing but plus 1. So when you consider this, you have to eliminate this first row and the second column. So here having that 5 to the 10, minus of minus is plus 6 and then plus 5 into 20 minus 20 minus of plus 6, which is equal to how much? ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ?
6 ma'am.
6
ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 6.
Written something wrong, right? So you'll be getting 6. So which is not equal to 0. So what does it mean? The rank of this given matrix A is 3. So for 3 cross 3, for the third order minor itself, you are getting non-zero value. So this is the third order since it is having 3 rows. So here for this, you are getting non-zero value. So here the rank of this given matrix is 3. Similarly, calculate for another matrix I'll give. 5 3 0 1 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 8. For this, what is the rank? If you consider the third order minor in the sense we'll be considering all the elements within a matrix. So what is its value? So 5 into 16 minus 16 minus 3 of
0 ma'am.
okay 0 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. So here since its determinant is 0, the rank of the matrix it is not equal to 3. It is not equal to 3, but the rank it should be less than or equal to 3. So now what we do is we can go for considering a second order minor. So second order minor in the sense you can consider any 2 cross 2 matrix. So considering the second order minor, you can calculate its determinant value. So here I'll be considering the minor 5 3 1 2. Any one minor, you just calculate and see what its value, whether it is equal to 0 or not. So 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7, which is not equal to 0. So here, since its determinant is not equal to 0, the rank of this given matrix A it is equal to 2. Now we'll go for the next one. A is equal to 1 2 minus 1 3 2 4 1 minus 2 3 6 3 minus 7. So for this given matrix, which is of the order 3 cross 4, so the rank of this should be less than or equal to 3. So find out. So first for the given matrix itself, consider the fourth order matrix determinant of fourth order and calculate. Fourth order ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ because as we are given the rank of matrix it should be less than or equal to 3. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು rows ಇದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So you cannot consider the whole elements. Consider the third order minor. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು third order minor consider ಮಾಡಿ you can perform the calculation. So ಯಾವ್ದು consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? So consider this 1 2 minus 1 2 4 1 3 6 3. 1 2 minus 1 2 4 1 3 6 3. For this determinant itself you just calculate. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಮೈನರಿಗೆ ನಾನ್ ಜೀರೋ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರು that is enough. So here consider 1 2 minus 1 2 4 1 3 6 3. For this what is the determinant value? Solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Zero, ma'am.
Yes.
Zero, ma'am.
0. So for the third order minor, for the first case we have obtained 0, but it might not be the case for the other third order minor, right? So you consider the next combination for the third order minor. So here I'll be considering, let's consider 1 minus 1 3, 2 1 minus 2, 3 3 minus 7. For this combination try. For all the third order minor combinations you have to try. So I'll just consider the elements of the first, third and fourth column. 1 minus 1 3, 2 1 minus 2, 3 3 minus 7. What is its value? Second column ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Second column elements ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 3 cross 3. For this also you may get 0. 0 ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Zero.
Yes.
Zero.
ಯಾವ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಉಳಿತು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೈನರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. 1 2 3, 2 4 minus 2, 3 6 minus 7. For this combination also you will be getting 0, and the last combination is 2 minus 1 3, that is second, third and fourth column elements. For this also you may get 0. Yellow combinations of third order it will be resulting in 0. So here the rank of this given matrix, it is not equal to 3. Rank of A is not equal to 3. So now if it is not happening, then we have to go with the second order minor. So consider any second order. So here I'll be considering 1 2 2 4. So for this you just check. For any one minor, if you are getting non-zero value, that is fine. 1 2 2 4. So what is its value? So it is 0. Leave that.
0.
ಬೇರೆ ಟೂ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮೈನರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀರಾ? ಈ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದಿಸ್ 2 minus 1 4 1, 2 1s are 2 minus of minus 4, that is 6 ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ? For any one combination, if you are getting non-zero value 2 minus 1 4 1, for this second order minor the answer is 6, which is not equal to 0. So here you can say that the rank of matrix A is 2. Like this you have to go with the direct method. So I think it's time's up. In the next class we'll take up the row echelon form. So in order to find the rank of a matrix, we'll go with the row reduced form and we'll solve the problems on that. Then we'll take up the problems on the dependency. Thank you. You can leave the meeting. Join for the next class.